Hi, my friend Simon here, and I would like to share with you exactly how to make money with Getresponse affiliate program, even if you're a complete beginner. First of all, I will share with you my own results, how I'm earning thousands of dollars every single day in commissions, all the way up to $4,400 in a single day, all through affiliate marketing. Right here you can see in 2 months I made $56,000 in commissions through affiliate marketing. I will refresh the page. You can see this is a real affiliate account. And another one right here, I made $16,000 in 1 month in commissions from 2,600 clicks, made 22 sales and generated $15,998. I will refresh the page really quickly and you can see this is a real affiliate account. So you can see affiliate marketing literally transformed my life. Now I have financial freedom, time freedom to do what I want, when I want, travel all around the world. Not to say that I'm special, I just want to share with you what is possible once you do things in the right way, and when you have a coach, a mentor, somebody that have results. This is exactly how I became who I am today because of my mentor. So first of all, we are going to take a look at a blueprint on how you can go out and actually make money through Getresponse. There are different ways to use Getresponse to basically get paid. And before we continue, please click first link below the video in the description and you can basically check out this page for one-on-one super affiliate marketing coaching. So if you would like to personally work with me for 6 months, if you want me to coach you, mentor you and help you start and grow a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch, then you can basically click the link below the video to work with me to learn traffic, conversions and how to build a real business. You can scroll down on this page, schedule a call with me, just select the date and the time and I'm going to give you a call when you will decide to call you, and I will ask a few questions to see if you're the right person to work with me. Of course, coaching is not free, so if you don't have any money, then don't schedule the call with me. You should have at least $3,000 to $4,000 to basically work with me for the next few months and start running traffic and ads, okay? First of all, let's go to Getresponse affiliate program, this website, and you will see Getresponse will pay you. Basically, they have two options. They can pay you recurring commissions, 33% every single month, or you can get paid basically one-time flat fee of $100, okay? So basically the difference is that if you get 100 people at 33%, that means that if you refer 100 people in the next few months, you will earn 33% from each active member. So basically average package is around $20. So that means that from let's say 100 people times $20 is $2,000. So basically that means that you will get 33% from basically $2,000 per month. That will be around $600, $700 in recurring commissions every single month consistently. But if you decide to take a flat fee of $100, you will basically get paid right away $100 times 100 people. You will get paid $10,000 and that's it. This is one-time payment. So basically you have to decide which one you will take. Of course, this one is long-term recurring commissions. You can get paid for many years and you can even make more than $10,000, or you can just go for the flat fee of $100 and get paid right away. So I don't really promote Getresponse as an affiliate, but actually I'm using Getresponse to build an email list and to do email marketing. So basically I've been able to basically earn $60,000 with one product in 1 month or 2 months, all by doing email marketing, basically building my list using Getresponse. So I will show you exactly how you can do affiliate marketing by using Getresponse and actually build your list within Getresponse, use Getresponse, their service, their tools to basically build your business and your own email list to then promote affiliate products, okay? So basically you can find products on OfferVault. You can go to OfferVault and find affiliate products. You can go to ClickBank and you can find other people's products. So basically, if you go to OfferVault, there are a bunch of products that you can be promoting, thousands of products. So that means that if you build a list within Getresponse, you use their tool, their service, and build an email list, you can promote hundreds of products in the next few months through basically as an affiliate using ClickBank, OfferVault, and actually I will show you how to build an email list with Getresponse right now. So first of all, you will basically have to create your custom landing page. You will have to create a landing page. So basically you can go to ClickFunnels. I will show an example. You can go to ClickFunnels and you can literally build your own custom landing page. So basically when you send traffic from Google Ads, YouTube Ads to landing page, you will be able to build your own email list and capture leads within Getresponse. So basically you can connect Getresponse with your ClickFunnels account. So when you have a landing page, you will basically capture leads. Then you will send traffic from Google Ads and YouTube Ads and Bing Ads, Facebook Ads to your landing page. you will capture leads. So basically you will build the leads within Getresponse. And then what you're going to do is you will basically set up multiple emails, and you will basically have in each email an affiliate link. So you will basically send people to a bridge page, and you will have some video on this page, you will have some information, an affiliate link, and then you can link out to affiliate products like myself, and you can literally get paid those big ticket commissions, okay? So I will talk in coaching and in the next videos what kind of products to promote. So you can check the link below the video in the description if you want me to coach and mentor you to give you my products that I'm promoting, that are paying me up to $1,000 commission per sale. And then basically we are going to send traffic from the landing page also through a marketing system. So marketing system can be some kind of a pre-sale page. It will pre-sell people or your leads on the product that you're promoting. It will increase conversions and create interest in what you have to sell, okay? So here is an example of one of my marketing systems or pre-sale pages. I will have a headline, a video, and basically I'm going to sell in this video. I will provide value, educate people, add some bonuses, and I will share with people exactly what kind of a result, it's possible once they use the product that basically I'm promoting, okay? And when they click, I get paid. So this is very powerful way to sell products without selling, to build your own email list. So when you have the product, you have the landing page, you have the marketing system, and you have Getresponse account, then we have to get some traffic. We need to get in front of the right kind of people so they are going to buy and join your list in Getresponse. So basically you're going to go to Google Ads, and you can literally create a video ad campaign with YouTube, video ad campaign, or search traffic. So basically I'm going to show you some examples. Let me click here on ads and assets. I will click on this first YouTube video. Let me click on preview. And as you can see, I'm using this short 1-minute video. This one video earned me 6 figures in commissions. So basically this is one video that can be used again and again. So basically if you personally work with me, you can also leverage my own YouTube videos. So basically when people see the video, they will click on the button, they will go through my landing page. They will be added to my email list in Getresponse. And then they will go through my marketing system. When they buy, I will earn commission on the back end as an affiliate promoting big ticket by big paying products, okay? So this is exactly how I've been able literally to transform my life through paid traffic using Getresponse to build lists and then promote multiple products. Up to this time, up to this day, I'm still promoting a bunch of products on the back end to the list that I built many years ago. So this is very powerful way to build. Basically, you can start from scratch, build 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 email list basically of people, and then you can either monetize that and promote products for as long as you wish, promote multiple products, and actually have a real business that you will have an independent income from that, okay? So I also have other people that basically have used this system to make a lot of money. I also have right here people sending me messages every day that they're seeing results, they're building lists, they're basically using Getresponse to build lists and Aweber. They're then promoting ClickBank products and so on and making pretty good income. So if you would like to personally work with me, click first link below the video in the description, schedule a call with me. I'm going to give you a call and ask a few questions to see if you're the right person to work with me. Of course, coaching is not free, so you should have at least 3 to 5K available to invest into ads and coaching to basically work with me for 6 months. So if you like the video, give me a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and my friend, I'm looking forward to do business together with you.